Is Buzzfeed stock BZFD a stock to buy in the dip today? So it has lost 35.51%. We don't exactly know what is behind this dip. So let's quickly have a look at the news. It says here, the readout here says 52-week low. Price reached a new 52-week low of $2.37. This is beneath the previous low of $3.18 by 25.56%, and it is 83.95% below the 52-week high of $14.77. Okay, there isn't any other thing to read out there, because usually you get dips below moving averages, but the stock itself has been below its moving averages since when? Since the end of May. Okay, so it tried to rally in the last couple of sessions. It tried to rally as of Friday the 3rd of June. Tried to rally just close to where its 10-day moving average is on this daily chart, but that wasn't enough. We've now seen further retracement. As I indicated earlier on, there isn't any news. There isn't any news concerning Buzzfeed. So far, we haven't found any news behind this retracement. But in the coming session, I believe in the coming hours, something's going to come up. So Buzzfeed appears to be in a strong bearish trend. Shares are below a declining 200-day moving average, and the MACD is beneath its signal line. It's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum for BZFD is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. Today's volumes are on track to be heavier than usual, trading 1.57 million shares so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. Okay, let's return to the chart and see what's going on there. Okay, so there isn't any news. You're going to see it's a blank. But on the option speed, let's see top movers on the obviously you can see the $3 puts. They've skyrocketed by a huge 800%. Yes, that's what we're seeing there. The volume so far is 2,190. You would normally expect that to be the case. Is it going to rebound? Is it going to rebound? You can see it's still losing some ground. So going by what we have seen so far, if we take this high of $3.61 and this low of 2.81, yes, 2.81, that this high was at its price as of just the end of the pre-market session, and then this is a low where it got some support. So going by those two figures, we find a difference. So we have 0.8 multiplied by 2.618. What do we have? 2.09. We add it to the current price of 2.37. We have 4.47. Can you rebound to 4.47? That will be close to 100% gain from where it is right now. Is that possible? Is that something that can happen? But well, never say never. But what is certain is that bite dippers are very much around. That they may or may not. So, but I'm not saying you should buy the stock. Let's see whether there's any technical opportunity for Buzzfeed here. Okay. Everything is bearish for Buzzfeed. So our target is 4.46. Will it get there? Don't bank on that. But indeed, it can always happen. Okay, let's see where that will take it. 4.47. We'll take it above its 10 and 20-day moving averages on this daily chart. 4.47, just slightly shy of its 50-day moving average. Is that possible? Yes, it's possible. Look at this. As of the 17th of May, it spiked from 3.35 and all the way to 4.36, 3.35. Okay, so a gain of 25%. So okay, going by that, okay, let's see, was that in one session? 17th. Okay, no, it wasn't in one session. It was actually in 3 sessions. It gained 25%. So okay, so 25% of 2.38 will give us, let's find out. $2.97. So that's also something, roughly $3, $2.97. So it's also something that can happen, which would be but at the same time, you know, this is a higher figure than this one, so expect something more than that. At the same time, there's no guarantee it might still continue to retrace. So we've just we can just say we have two targets, 2.97 and indeed 4.47 for a possible buy the deep rebound for Buzzfeed, but don't bank on that. It's not going to, I mean, we're not saying it's going to happen. So see what you make of all of these things that are going on concerning Buzzfeed. Okay, so and thank you very much for watching this video.